Security is not simply about blocking hackers, it is about protecting information, systems, identities, and business operations from unauthorized actions. Every organization must protect a continuous flow of information moving between users, networks, applications, systems, and data. The same information flow creates opportunities for interception, modification, impersonation, disruption, and data loss. That is why security begins with a simple question: what must we protect, from whom, and what happens if protection fails? Information security is the broader discipline of protecting information regardless of where that information exists. Information system security focuses more specifically on protecting the systems, infrastructure, applications, networks, and technical mechanisms that process that information. In practice, the two disciplines work together because secure information requires secure systems, and secure systems exist to protect valuable information. The classic foundation of information security is the CIA Triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality means that information is accessible only to authorized people, systems, or processes. Integrity means that information remains accurate, complete, and protected from unauthorized modification. Availability means that authorized users can access systems and information when they need them. Security can also require non-repudiation, which provides evidence that a particular party performed an action and makes it difficult for that party to credibly deny it later. Another essential model is AAA: Authentication, Authorization, and Accounting. Authentication answers the question, who are you, and can you prove your identity? Authorization answers a different question, now that we know who you are, what are you actually allowed to do? Accounting records what happened, such as which user accessed a resource, what action was performed, and when it occurred. Zero Trust changes the security mindset from automatically trusting internal users to continuously verifying every access request. A Zero Trust decision can consider identity, device posture, location, application context, risk signals, and the sensitivity of the requested resource. If the request does not satisfy policy, access is denied even when the user is already inside the corporate network. Security controls are the practical mechanisms used to reduce risk, and effective organizations combine multiple types of controls instead of depending on a single technology. Preventive controls attempt to stop unwanted events before they happen, while detective controls identify suspicious activity after or during an event. Corrective controls help restore normal operations, while administrative controls establish policies, procedures, governance, and responsibilities. For example, a web attack can be blocked by a preventive control, detected by monitoring, investigated through logs, and followed by a corrective response. Put everything together and the security model becomes clear: protect information, secure the systems that process it, verify identities, enforce permissions, monitor activity, and continuously evaluate trust. The CIA Triad defines what security must preserve, AAA defines how access is managed and tracked, Zero Trust defines how trust decisions are made, and security controls turn these principles into operational defenses. If you are learning cybersecurity, master these fundamentals first, because almost every advanced security technology builds on the same core concepts. Understand the fundamentals, and technologies such as firewalls, EDR, IAM, CIAM, WAF, VPN, and cloud security become much easier to understand. Security is ultimately about protecting what matters, proving who should have access, and continuously reducing risk.